Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Glad to have you. You are most welcome. Okay, in today's video we showcase beautiful, gorgeous, straight back cornrow styles that combine elegance, comfort and style. Whether you are looking for a protective hairstyle to keep your hair healthy, or you simply want a chic and trendy look for any occasion, these cornrow ideas will inspire you. Sure, they will inspire you. From simple neat patterns to intricate creative designs, you will see options that suit every personality and vibe. Yes! This hairstyle is perfect for work, school, vacations, special events, name them. It's so versatile. And also, these cornrow hairstyles are low maintenance yet head turning. It comes in different styles. You can style your own in different cornrow styles like sweetheart cornrow braids, sleek cornrow braids, crisscross braids, millipede cornrow braids, feeding braids, half cornrows, half coils, full and knit braids, stitch braids, and twisted cornrows. Name them. You can braid it into any style of your choice. Just relax, watch to the end. Surely you'll get inspired. And make sure you save your next hairstyle idea. Rock your braids with confidence and let your hair speak royalty and nobility. Love you all. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share on my video. And if today is your first time, welcome. I'm glad you are here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.